Goparity app. The pros, the cons. Goparity is a crowdfunding and impact investing platform that connects investors with sustainable projects. But is it the right choice for your money? Starting with the pros. First, social impact. Every investment supports renewable energy, community projects, or sustainable businesses, aligning your portfolio with your values. Second, diversification. Investors can spread small amounts across multiple projects to reduce risk. Third, transparency. Goparity provides detailed updates on projects' progress and financials. Now, the cons. One limitation is liquidity. Investments are generally long-term, and it can be difficult to exit early. Another drawback is risk. While projects are vetted, smaller ventures inherently carry higher default risk than traditional investments. The surprising truth? Many investors overlook impact investing, but platforms like Goparity allow you to earn potential returns while supporting positive change. In conclusion, the pros: social impact, diversification, and transparency make Goparity ideal for mission-driven investors. The cons: limited liquidity and high risk mean it's best suited for those with a longer-term horizon and appetite for alternative investments.